I love YouTube. This video covers tank removal and installation in a Royal Enfield Classic 350. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Tools needed: 13 mm spanner, 12 mm socket or a spanner. These two tools are used to install or remove the seat. 10 mm socket or spanner to remove or install the two screws securing the fuel tank to the frame. Lock the nut by using a 13 mm spanner and turn the 12 mm bolt counterclockwise to open using a socket or spanner. Remove the bush, washer, nut and bolt and keep it aside. Remove the single 12 mm bolt on the right hand side which secures the seat to the frame. Follow the same removal procedure on the left hand side. Removal of seat exposes the two bolts which secures the fuel tank. Remove the two 10 mm bolts and washers which secures the fuel tank to the frame. Shut the fuel tap and remove the fuel pipe. Lift and pull out the fuel tank. These two slots on the fuel tank locks onto the dampers on either side of the frame. Hold the wheel, no? Yes, please. Leave it. Put back the two 10 mm bolts with washers to secure the fuel tank onto the frame. Turn the bolts clockwise to tighten. Put in the single 12 mm bolt, turning it clockwise. 12 mm. Ensure all the nuts and bolts are tightened. Hope this video is of help. If it did, please like the video and subscribe down below. Ride safe, guys.